Hello, I'm Sean Fenneman with Allied Marine, and today I'm coming to you from beautiful Key Biscayne on board a 2017 75 Weaver BRISA. This is probably one of the high water marks of all Weaver builds. This boat, built as Wanted, then Sterling, and now BRISA, has had three tremendous owners that maintained her in absolutely perfect 10 Bristol Palm Beach condition. This boat tops 42 knots and does so with effortless ease, not even at 100% at 42 knots. She's got a full beam master, which is very unique for a sports fishing boat. A lot of the extra detailing in this boat goes to the original build captain, who lived at the yard and really made sure that this boat was fine-tuned and dialed in. She's got shaft tubes that give her additional lift aft and help with more speed, a removable anchor chock for a really clean Palm Beach look up forward. We've updated all of her soft goods exteriorly, and the interior and woodwork present as new. I know you're gonna like what you see. The Salon BRISA is really warm and inviting. What's nice is the low window line allows you to have a view outside whether you're sitting or standing. You've got the combination of a really nice, comfortable sofa that's hinged along the backrest and gives us tremendous rod storage. Additionally, we've got the low coffee table, a really big, comfortable dinette, 3 bar stools, and a galley that allows you to enter from either side. Between a Scotsman clear ice maker, really nice wine chiller, and then all custom storage for all of your glasses and liquor bottles, whatnot. It makes for a really comfortable salon that gives you almost a motor yacht feel in a Sportfish. The recessed cooktop that's underneath a real Carrara marble top, along with drawers that are fitted out for every single knife, every single pot, pan, everything with its perfect place to store. That extra level of detailing and of setting a boat up that's so apparent in this boat, especially when you look at all of the rod storage. It keeps this thing clean and functional with everything in its place. Continuing forward from the galley towards the pantry, part of what makes BRISA special is you've got a laundry room to starboard and you've got this pantry to port. And in the pantry, you've got storage for your dredge rods, for your spear shafts, for your stand-up rods, for your gaffs, and everything pockets so nice and neat and clean, along with more pantry storage. That really made this a great traveling sports fisherman. So the midship master on BRISA gives the owner the most comfortable position on the boat. You're low, you're as far aft as possible, and it makes it really comfortable to travel on this boat underway, whether you're sleeping on the way to the grounds or you're overnighting on the way to a Bermuda. Port and starboard, you've got these nice lockers that conceal your safes to port and a gun locker to starboard. There's tremendous storage under the bed and a very generous head. Part of what shows in this boat special is all of the book-mashed interior. When you follow the grain of all of the woodwork through every drawer, it is really an exquisite interior. And that's what separates this from many other custom boats. The idea of all of the whisper wall headliners and whisper wall wall panels make this boat even more quiet than you would find in most other custom boats. So here I am in the forward bilge of BRISA, the 75 Weaver. You'll notice that instead of an electric bow thruster, you've got a hydraulic bow thruster. This captain that built this boat and the ensuing captains have maintained it. The inside of the bilges of this boat are mirror finished as well as the exterior. It makes it super easy to keep. Everything wipes down, it rinses, we actually wax out the bilges. You've got additional storage of 4 of the 6 tuna tubes up front here. There are little things that made BRISA special in build. You've got Graco sea strainers in line on the way for your gray water and black water that really make sure that you're not gonna have any problems with your senders or your macerators in your bilge pump out. 3 nice large bilge pumps, everything just finished out with great lighting, electrical supply down here, compressed air available down here for air tools if needed. Everything is meant and built for ease of maintenance. So the generous 4-cabin arrangement continues in the forward VIP. This centerline queen is easy to make up, super comfortable with a custom HMC mattress. You've got really nice hanging lockers with aromatic cedar, And again, a generous head with beautiful perennials, wall coverings. It's all sisal, big showers, teak floors. There is an understated elegance to this boat that you have to see to feel it and understand it. The port and starboard twin guest staterooms on BRISA are mirror images. The bottom bunk is almost a double bunk, and the top bunk is generous as well. Again, you'll have an aromatic cedar line hanging locker, and everybody gets their own Samsung TV. You've got direct access into the day head from the starboard side, and you've got its own en-suite on the port side. The port side mirror image guest stateroom features 2 bunks, the bottom bunk being almost a double wide bunk. Again, an aromatic cedar hanging locker, big Samsung TV, and beautiful sisal wall covered head with, again, Carrara marble tops. Everything in this boat was curated in just a beautiful manner. So the Helm on BRISA has been raised up, so any vertically challenged captains can still see the bow, watch the anchor drop, and it gives you a great situational awareness of what's going on. Everything's clean, neat, and tidy. We've removed the recessed garments and flush mounted them so they're easy to reach now. You've got 2,213 hours with roughly 78,000 gallons of fuel that have been burnt through these M94 16V2000 MTUs. With that level of fuel burn, there should be roughly 3/4 of the engine life left in these engines. This boat pushes so easy and efficiently. We're under 80% load at a cruise higher than 35 knots. So you've got speed, you've got range, you've got efficiency in a very soft dry ride. It's what makes these 75 Weavers so sought after. They are great traveling fishing boats.